everyone, I'm Casey, and this is a Glitter Dots Challenge! Today's challenge is the Not My Hands Challenge. Let's meet our contestants. First, we have JJ and Maddie.
Glitter Dots!
And we have Tyler and Aiden. One team will be using glitter dots, one team will be using glitter, and neither team will be using their own hands. Here's the situation. They're going to be decorating a turtle just like this one.
Yay!
Isn't he cute? And they'll also be wearing these lab coats. All right, let's get started. Ready, set, decorate! It looks like Team Glitter Dot is off to a great start. Here we have Team Glitter. Aiden's helping Tyler out there.
Get the teal right there. Yeah. Here? Right there? Yeah. Good job.
Wait, you gotta get the glue first. All right, so here, where's the turtle? Is it right here? Yeah, it's great.
Okay, now put the purple, get the purple one. Yeah, right there. And then put it right next to it.
JJ's doing a great job communicating with her partner, Maddie.
Am I on it? Hat on the top. Here, where is it? Skirt.
Come on, guys, you can do this.
The orange. Grab the orange. We're gonna put it next to the purple. Lower, higher, right.
What awesome teamwork.
That's good. Push.
JJ's doing a great job being the eyes and letting Maddie know exactly where she needs to put the colors. It looks like they're having a little bit of communication problems.
Stop.
Wow, look how easy it is to switch from color to color.
Yes.
Maddie can clean up with glitter dots even without being able to see. That's how easy it is. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up! How do you think you did, Team Glitter Dots?
I think we did really good.
Okay, let's have you step down and look at your turtle. That's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Was it easy to use the glitter dots even though you couldn't see?
It was easy.
All right, let's check out the other team. Well, Team Glitter, let's see how you did. What do you think, Tyler?
I think it would be better if it was a lot less messy.
Yeah, this is a lot of glitter to clean up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, you used a lot of different colors, which I liked, but they were all mixed together, and it is basically buried in that mound of glitter. I'm kind of afraid to even pick it up. There's going to be a lot to consider in this competition. And the winner is Team Glitter Dots!
Yay!
And you know what that means? These girls get a Glitter Dots celebration! Well, you know what that means, Team Glitter. You're getting glitter dropped! No! Thanks for watching our Glitter Dots Challenge! Be sure to like and subscribe for more Glitter Dots videos. Catch us next time. Bye! Crayola Glitter Dots can be found at the Crayola aisle at your local store.